Hey guys and girls, welcome to Yscom Driving, and I have some very exciting news to share with you. You remember the Honda Hrv? When it was launched a few years ago, within a week there was like 10,000 bookings and the waiting list was like 5-6 months for you to get a car. Well, the new Hrv is a totally new shape and it looks so good, man. And the good news is it's going to be launched very soon. So we're giving you an opportunity to book the car with us today. Just for your information, we represent 6 Honda dealerships in the Klang Valley and also outside in the other states, and therefore we will allocate your order to the dealers that are active with us. The car is not available yet, but I'm sure you all have seen some footages or pictures from our neighboring countries, Indonesia and Thailand. Believe me, the car looks wonderful, man. Okay, here are some of the things we know about the new Hrv. First of all, it is a truly new model and it is slightly bigger, I think, from the previous one, and it really looks beautiful. It has a more majestic front with a straighter grille and it really looks good, man. So the good news is there are 5 colors for you to choose from, and amongst them is Platinum White Pearl, Ignite Red, Meteorite Grey, Luna Silver, and Black. And also, Honda Sensing will be standard equipment on all variants, yeah? And there are 4 variants available with 3 engines. So the first variant is the base variant, which is the S spec, so it's the Hrv S 1.5 NA. It will have the same engine as the City and the City hatchback, which is the 121 PS, 145 Newton meter, 1.5 liter engine. Fuel consumption is mooted at 5.9 liters per 100, so it is a very economical car. On top of that, even the base spec gets auto LED headlights, an 8-inch touchscreen, TFT meter, 4 speakers, fabric seats, of course they're manually adjusted, and also rear aircon. You also get 4 airbags and 17-inch rims, hill descent control. Then we have the next step up, and the good news is this has the 1.5 liter turbocharged engine, and this is the V spec, so it's called the Hrv E 1.5 Vtec Turbo, and this 1.5 turbocharged engine gives you 177 PS, 240 Newton meters of torque. So this is actually more powerful than the Civic FC, yeah? And the good news is you get paddle shifts, also different driving modes to suit your mood, fog lights, 6 airbags, a tailpipe finisher, chrome finish I think, rear USB ports, 7-inch TFT meter, and remote engine start. The slightly higher range would be the Hrv V spec. So we have S spec, E spec, and now the V spec. The V spec also has the same 1.5 liter turbocharged engine with the same 177 PS, of course, and you get Honda Connect and lane watch with this. Also 18-inch wheels, leather seats, and the driver gets an 8-way power seat. You get the leather steering, leather gear knob. The front signals are sequential, and you also get 8 speakers. And the top of the range is the Honda Hrv RS 1.5 iMMD. Yes, this is the same build as in the City RS and the City hatchback RS, with the same powertrain, and this time the engine goes up to 131 PS and you get 252 Newton meters of torque. And on top of that, the RS gets power tailgate with a walk-away lock, and RS body kits, 18-inch wheels, Honda Connect, and dual zone air conditioning. Fantastic. So you have 4 variants, 3 engine options, and I think the turbo engine is going to sell very well. Okay, so what are the prices? Well, the price list is still an estimate, but here is what it will cost roughly. The S variant, which is the 1.5 121 PS engine, is approximately selling at Rm 100,000 ringgit. Then the E-Spec, which is the 1.5 turbo, will have an estimated price of Rm 110,000, and the higher variant, which is the V variant with the extra trim, will cost Rm 120,000 ringgit. And the top of the range, which is the RS eHEV, the selling price is approximately 128,000 ringgit. So guys, if you're interested in the vehicle, please go to shop.yscomdriving.com, follow the instructions and put in your booking. Don't wait, because the earlier you put in your booking, the faster you get your car. And don't forget, all bookings are 100% refundable if you don't like the car, or you don't like the price, or you don't like me. Alright then, so don't waste any more time. Come and book your car with us. Of course, everybody who buys a Honda Hrv through us will get a special Yscom driving gift pack, which is made up of a limited edition Yscom driving t-shirt, which is the same as what I'm wearing now. You'll also get a limited edition of this Yscom driving 600 gram car extinguisher that is fully serviceable, SIRIM approved, and it comes with a car mounting bracket for you to mount on your car. Alright guys, so that's it for our presentation on the all-new Hrv. Don't waste any more time. Go to shop.yscomdriving.com right now and make your booking.